Hi guys, and today I'm gonna show you how to build a what can I show you? Sorry. I'm gonna show you how to build a a really cool TNT explosion. First step, well, it's gonna be flying. So you're gonna need this stuff. So if you got this stuff, that's okay. But look, first step, you're gonna put the redstone here. You have to do a line, or you can do it how much you want. Then put the TNT. You could put it right here. It's on survival, on creative, in whatever mode you want. So you can do it in whatever one you want. See? So wait. You can make it more big, so it could be more bigger. But I don't want it to go right over there. That's why I make it so far, so my castle doesn't explode. Then put that and look. Look at the trick. It's gonna explode. See? That's a big explosion. That was like here, right over here, and right over there. And right over there. That was so cool. I hope I can make another one more bigger. But I'm not really sure about this. Look, and here's another trick. Look. There. Oh man. Wait, can you put it here? Yep. We could. Okay. First, you're gonna have to do this. Put it like that. See? You have to put something like that. And you should have it like this.